The PowerSki JetBoard evolved from one man's God-given dream to bring surfing from the ocean to every sea, lake, and river around the world. Just like the Beach Boys song, if everybody had an ocean, everybody'd go surfing. Everybody can have that ocean to surf with the PowerSki JetBoard. When Bob was young, he fell in love with the ocean. Early on, he took up surfing to spend as much time in the water as he could. By his late teens, he became a member of the exclusive Duke Kahanamoku, California surf team. As seen in this '68 surfing magazine, Bob and his friends envisioned a motorized surfboard to get to the unreachable outside waves, and in the future, to conquer those never-surfed waves of the outer reefs. Through his passion and dedication, Bob Montgomery invented the PowerSki JetBoard and Super Torque XT engine systems. Bob, as founder and CEO of PowerSki International Corporation, has brought this ultimate dream to reality. In 1976, Kawasaki introduced the stand-up Jet Ski 300. These were the first personal watercraft and were steered with a mechanical swivel jet nozzle. They proved to be very unstable, underpowered, and had numerous mechanical problems. In the mid-70s, the first surf jet, a motorized surfboard, arrived on the scene. With its 19-horsepower rear-mounted engine enclosed in a fiberglass housing, it lacked speed and maneuverability. Introduced during their infancy, these were the first personal watercraft and motorized surfboards, but their manufacturers really didn't know how to design for stability and performance, or how to market them. Even with these early deficiencies, the competitive personal watercraft industry began a steady growth in sales for the next 20 years, peaking in 1995, with U.S. sales of over 200,000 units. That sales plateau has remained at around 85 to 100,000 units annually. With the possibility of achieving his original surfing dream, Bob saw the future market for these emerging products as the foundation to create new sports for both watercraft and surfing. Kawasaki originally marketed the jet ski through their motorcycle dealerships worldwide. Kawasaki's sales force understood marketing motorcycles, but not jet skis, and sales were disappointing. Bob saw that the jet ski market should be targeted at marine locations and directly to water sport people. In the late 70s, on Pacific Coast Highway in Newport Beach, California, Bob opened the first retail dealership to exclusively sell and support jet skis, surf jets, and other types of thrill craft for water sport enthusiasts. Bob organized the first demo day exhibitions, highlighting the fun-in-the-sun surfing lifestyle that promoted his dealerships and products at powerboat races, water skiing and surfing events, and other water-related events. Bob also helped to coordinate the first televised jet ski racing events on ABC television in California and Hawaii. Kawasaki Corporation, seeing the success Bob was having marketing their jet ski line and other products, co-opted his water sport dealership model and began opening their own jet ski dealerships that targeted watermen like Bob to build the sport of jet skiing. This resulted in the formation of the International Jet Ski Boating Association. In 1979, Bob began working for Surfjet Corporation as their new products manager. While there, Bob honed his knowledge of design, engineering, and manufacturing. Bob designed a better surfboard shape for the Surfjet that captured the best performance for their rear-mounted engine boards. Bob was awarded a patent for his Surfjet innovations and continued to lead Surfjet's marketing with sales reaching 10,000 units sold. Surfjet went along with his initial improvements, but balked at his more advanced technical ideas to maximize the Surfjet's performance. Consequently, the working relationship stalled and both parties went their separate ways. It soon became apparent to Bob that to truly realize his dream, one that met his exacting standards, he was going to have to build a motorized surfboard himself. With nothing more than his faith and initiative, he set out to put his hard-earned marketing and technical knowledge to work, and the PowerSki JetBoard project was born. The PowerSki JetBoard has a fixed jet pump drive that is unique from other personal watercraft that use swivel jet directional drives. Free of any mechanical steering device, PowerSki JetBoard riders glide into smooth, high G-force turns by simply leaning into the direction they want to go. A true motorized surfboard, the PowerSki JetBoard rider applies the natural balance of the sideways stance used by surfers, windsurfers, snowboarders, skateboarders, and wakeboarders. Beginning in 1987, and starting literally in his own garage, Bob began to apply his design and technical expertise to constructing a working jetboard that satisfied his concept for power, style, and performance. In 1989, the PowerSki JetBoard made its first successful test run, and it proved that Bob's original concept was a potential winner. Bob was issued 3 U.S. patents for his handle design and utility and design for a motorized surfboard. He raised approximately $1.2 million from family and friends to design and build the first 4-cylinder engine and more jetboard prototypes. Several small boat engines were tested with marginal results. Although it had limitations, the Mercury 25 horsepower outboard engine proved to be the most adaptable. Mercury Marine began negotiations in earnest with PowerSki. Mercury rated PowerSki's technology value at $20 million, circa 1995. This was at a time when PowerSki held only 3 patents and had limited engine technology. During this period, Bob was hired to bring his new PowerSki JetBoards to Hawaii and to perform water stunts in the action movie Waterworld. The 4 months of stunt work really tested the Mercury engine's capability, but the final results were telling. The adapted outboard engines just didn't produce enough power or torque. Negotiations with Mercury ended when they vetoed developing a new engine. In early 1998, Bob reunited with Bjorn Elven, a former engineer for Husqvarna motorcycles in Sweden. Bjorn and Bob began collaborating on Bob's concept for a powerful horizontal forward-mounted engine. This prototype became the forerunner of the Super Torque XT marine engine. The next stage in development was to sandcast approximately 150 test engines to be machined and assembled in 85 beta model jetboards for testing. To reach the Super Torque's XT engine's current level of performance and reliability, many test engines had to be built. This was very expensive. The first 6 prototype engines cost about $50,000 each to design, engineer, and test. Bob, Bjorn, and the PowerSki design engineers received support from Parametric Technologies Corporation, better known as PTC. Using PTC's expertise and their pro-engineer software, most of the JetBoard's components were digitally constructed before committing to expensive tooling costs. PTC eventually became a sponsor of PowerSki International, supplying over $1 million in software technology. The PowerSki Super Torque XT marine drive system is the first of PowerSki's 2 and future 4-stroke marine engines. The high horsepower to low weight ratio of the Super Torque XT holds enormous potential for a vast array of products, including kayaks, ATVs, catamarans, ultralight aircraft, military technology, and more. Transmission. Torque XT engine combined with the Power Thruster 330 jet pump delivers more than 250 pounds of thrust through a proprietary gear reduction transmission. At 45 pounds, it's lightweight with low-profile dimensions, 6.5 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 17 inches long, and develops approximately 50 horsepower. PowerSki International has been awarded 1 utility and 3 design patents in the United States for PowerSki JetBoard technology, and has an additional patent pending. PowerSki has had more than 60 worldwide design and utility patents issued for the motorized surfboard and improved motorized water ski design. We have also applied for 22 engine utility patents, and over half of them have been issued. PowerSki, most recently, has applied for 4 more patents for unique parts and custom designs for the Igniter model and future Delta Wing Hydro Step model.